what's up everybody? Craig Barber here, Senior Product Designer. In my career as a website designer, I have generated over $2 million designing websites. Here are my top 5 tips for new designers. Tip number 1, use just 3 colors in your website design. 1 color for your background, 1 color for your type and icons, and 1 color for your accents. Number 2, stick to just 1 font for your website design. You can switch up the sizes and weights of your font, but I recommend for beginner website designers, stick to just 1 font for your designs. Number 3, make every single thing modular in your website design. It's going to be viewed on a number of screens and it needs to be modular and responsive. Number 4, don't cheap out on images, whether it's stock photos or illustrations. Always use high quality images within your website designs. Tip number 5, use your brand color in your images. For example, if your brand color is blue, make sure you incorporate the color blue into your images on your website. That's my top 5 tips for new website designers. Be sure to visit cursorup.com and learn more about UX, UI, and product design today.